My name is Petra Pollux. I'm a senior lecturer in psychology and I am the director of the EEG lab. I'm focusing quite a lot on processing of emotions. And in particular, if you think about the more bigger question, then it's the relationship between the motor system and the emotional system in the brain. I'm also interested in whether we can train people to become better at recognizing emotional states in others. So the experiment that we're looking at today is the relationship between neural responses and the discomfort that you can feel in response to when you see certain visual stimuli. And in the first phase of the experiment, people have to match two different stimuli on contrast. So they have to make a judgment, or they keep on pressing one key until the two stimuli they perceive them as being of the same contrast. Once they've done that experiment, then we use that information that comes out of that little experiment. We feed that in the experiment proper, where we present these kind of stimuli again, and then where people have to make a rating on how pleasant or unpleasant these stimuli are. In between, we prepare the participant for EEG recording. And EEG recording means that you place a lot of electrodes, a lot of sensors on the scalp. And these scalp electrodes, they pick up any activity from the brain. There are a lot of people working in the lab, on and off. We have undergraduates who we invite or who can apply to come and work in the lab. They will learn how to prepare a participant. Some students also learn how to do a bit of analysis, but they are heavily involved in the whole procedure. Then we also have people from the Erasmus project, so people from Italy who come over and they work in the lab. They learn how to run a lab independently. And in the past and also in the future, we will have postgraduate students who work on their individual projects on using EEG to ask a variety of questions.